good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So, tatlong greetings yan ha. Para hindi natin alam kung saan naabot ang ating video. So, in other country or mga ibang mga country. In other country. So, yun siya guys. So, ngayon, ang ating gagawin ngayon is mag-translate ng Tagalog to English. So, unsa may imong gibuhat karon? In English, what are you doing now? Bisaya. Oh, unsa naman sad ka? In English. Oh, what happened to you? Bisaya. Oh, yan naman kagahilak. Oh, why are you crying? Bisaya. Why are you angry? I mean, nga naman nasuko ka. In English, why are you angry? Then, ano pa? Unsa day ka, in English, what happened to you? In Bisaya, ano kasigi ka og gaspo? In English, why are you always angry? In Bisaya, hay makalagot jud uy. In English, anyway, I'm irritated with that person. Bisaya, hay kalimuot ba? In English, it's so hot in the Philippines. Na-bored ni jud ko diri ay. In English, I feel so bored. Bisaya, siguro po aning lingkod. In English, I'm always sitting here. Bisaya, hay naku. In English, hi. So, yun lang guys. And dito na natapos ang aking translation. So, what I've said, sa mga gustong makapag-suggest ng mga video na gusto nyo mag-suggest, na gusto nyo ipagawa para in the next video. So, sa lahat ng gustong i-promote ang kanilang mga page, mga shoutout, comment na kayo sa baba. And then, please do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Click the notification bell para always kayong updated sa aking mga bagong upload araw-araw. Then, don't forget to share, like, and comment. Dito lang ka. And I will end my video now. And then, bye-bye.